In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a live account with Oanda. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to oanda.com. Also put a link to that down in the description below. Then from here it should look something like this. And here you can either go up to the right hand corner and log into your already existing account, or you can click Start Trading to start the application for you to open up a live account. Once you click on that, it should bring something like this. And here you can see you'll get started. And do you live in this specific country that you live in, or where your VPN is? You'll just need to click yes. And then it will redirect you into this page right here. From here, you'll need to select your country where you live. Because I live in Denmark, I'll choose that and click Save and Continue. Once you're in here, you'll need to click in your email address and then click Save and Continue. And from here, you'll need to click Create a Password. Once you've done that, you'll need to scroll down until you see I accept all and then click Next. Once you click Next, you need to upload a national ID or passport to Oanda. And don't worry, this is completely safe and they will delete it afterwards. It's just to see if you're really the person that you have said you were. Once you do that, you'll need to either click the QR code and scan this QR code, or you'll need to enter an SMS code right here where you can verify a text message. You can also use the alternative path and just use your computer and upload directly from this device. Once you do that, you'll need to enter in your personal information. You'll need to enter in your name, surname, date of birth, your citizenship, state of documents that you want to put into Oanda, your ID number, which is your social security number, and the day, month, and year. You'll also need to click this document never expires, and then you'll need to click in your number. From here, you'll simply need to click next, and then follow the steps until you are completely verified with Oanda and can go inside of the dashboard and start trading with your live trading account. But that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!